Hello, this is a short presentation for a new action plugin called ChatGPT Prompt. It integrates ChatGPT with Tracardi, and I'd like to show you one of the use cases. You can use ChatGPT for product suggestions, and this is my workflow, and I'm expecting event properties that has products that the customer bought. This can be products from the basket, or if you want, you can also load the last products the customer bought. Then I'm using a join string plugin that joins all the products here into one string, and it separates it by comma. And then I'm using a prompt, actually using a template that gets the data that I typed here and joins it with the result from join product. So I wrote a prompt: customer bought the products I've typed. What other products would you suggest this customer should buy? Expecting at least 3 suggestions as a pair of product name and category, and I want a response respond to be a JSON list of objects. Okay, and then I'm sending this to ChatGPT. I've created a resource where I typed my API key, and I'm sending this payload, this template that I've created here, to ChatGPT. And I'm using DaVinci. This is a ChatGPT model. At the success, when the ChatGPT responds, I want the answer to create an object that I can save in a profile, for example. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, and we can see that in the output I have join products description, iPad cover and charger, and I have a template. This is my template. I've sent it to ChatGPT. This is the output, and this is the answer. This is the answer in the form of JSON, and this one splits it and makes it something like this. The suggestion from the ChatGPT is that the customer should buy a screen protector, which is accessories, headphones, and stylus pen. Okay, and we can try something else. I'm literally making this up live, so I don't know what I type. Let's make it Adidas sneakers. Okay, and shorts, and let's see what are the suggestions from ChatGPT. Okay, the output is socks, t-shirt, and cap. Somebody thinks that I'm a runner, and this is it. This is how you can use ChatGPT.